So first things first, we're gonna try to do the hair. So I have my little mannequin head with me. Say hi. And then I also have this color spray, Go Intense. So it's like a silver lining color. I thought I would be able to find white, but I wasn't able to. So we're just gonna go with silver. I think I should be able to get a nice color. I actually did like a little bit of a test strand and it looked pretty decent. I don't know how it'll look when I put a lot. It might be a little too shiny, but we'll take it how we get it. And then I have this lace front wig that is like a 24 inch, so pretty long. We're gonna straighten it first and then we're going to color it, and hopefully this shouldn't take me that long. Okay, let's go. So we're going to straighten it first so that way we can know exactly where to put like the tiger stripes. This is what we're kind of going for. Okay, so I'm gonna move over to my makeup. You guys, my hair is looking kind of wonky, but I think I know how I'm gonna fix it. I think I'm going to spray it. I'm gonna spray it all silver, and then I'll like go in with like maybe like a eyeliner or like eyeshadow and like try to color in the black. I think that's what I'm gonna do. Top is from Shein. Actually, I have puffy sleeves, so I tucked the puffs inside because hers didn't have puffy sleeves, but this side is still puffy, but you know, y'all aren't gonna see that like that. So I honestly just got it because it had the cutout in the middle, and I was like, I need the cutout. Go ahead and finish my face off camera, then I'll come back when I'm about to do the eyeshadow. I'm pretty much done with the base of my face, but I'm gonna do my lips first before I move on to my eyes. And so for my lips, I'm gonna take my MAC Chestnut Lip Liner. And then I'm going to take this Ofra Cosmetics liquid lipstick in Havana Nights. I'm not quite sure where I got this from actually. I think I got it from like a beauty supply more than likely. But it's gonna be this lip gloss. So I'm gonna put over it. I'm happy with that. Alright, so let's move on to the eyes. For the eyes, we're going to be using the James Charles palette. So I'm going to prime my eyes first with this concealer from Maybelline. Then I'm going to go into the James Charles palette, and I'm going to be taking this color right here. I'm gonna go into this other brown as well, just so it doesn't look too red. We're gonna use this Morphe brush in M506, and we're just going to use the black to like place it right on my crease. And then I think she just put like a shiny color on the lid, and then she lined her eyes. So she also has like the cat eyeliner, so you can try that. But I got this from the beauty supply store. It's from Sista, and it's like just a shimmer eyeshadow. Okay, so this is pretty much it for the eyes. I had to do a wing liner, and it's probably going to be more of a cat eye wing liner, so it's going to go up, and then I'll put lashes, and then we'll go ahead and fix the rest of this hair. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I actually had so much fun trying to recreate this look. Of course, it wasn't 100%. This hair was actually tougher than it looked. I thought it was gonna be a lot easier. I was like, yeah, I'm just gonna spray the hair. Turned out to be so much harder, but I think I actually got it to a point where kind of looks cute. Okay, you guys kind of get the point of what it's supposed to be, right? But yeah, this is just for fun. Nobody come for me. I'm not a professional hairstylist. I'm not a professional makeup artist, you know? So if I don't get it exactly, then big whoop. But I truly enjoyed it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please leave me a big thumbs up and comment down below. Let me know how you guys like this look. And I will catch you guys in my next one. God willing, stay beautiful, choose you, and God bless.